Hi, I'm Tom from PPC Samurai, and in this video, I'll step you through the responsive search ads builder, which lets you create RSAs in bulk in just 3 easy steps. Within the client account details screen, underneath actions, you'll find responsive search ads. Clicking this will tell the app to start scanning the account, looking for active campaigns and ad groups that contain 2 or more expanded text ads. Once the scan is complete, you'll see all the campaigns and ad groups that meet this criteria and are therefore candidates for RSA creation. As these ad groups have existing ETAs, the app will work to combine the information in these ads into one single RSA. As each ETA should have 3 headlines already, if you have 2 ETAs, then you've effectively got 6 headlines and 4 descriptions ready to work with. The app will take these headlines and put them in a 1 to 6 order and will order the descriptions 1 to 4. A couple of things worth noting. If you have headlines that are the same, they'll only get imported once, so no need to worry about duplicates. If there are some campaigns or ad groups that you don't want to turn into RSAs, simply uncheck them from the list by clicking on them. From the ads you've chosen to turn into RSAs, you can tell the system whether you want to pin headlines to their current positions by turning the toggle on or off. We recommend you activate the pinning, as it will force headlines pinned in position 1 to rotate only through the heading 1 position. This ensures that your ads make more logical sense and will keep them in line with the structures you've implemented via your ETAs. You can also choose whether you want to have your descriptions pinned. After choosing your settings, simply click on Preview RSAs. And there you go. All the RSAs have been created. You can now preview these by clicking through each campaign and ad group. You can also review the pin sections. If you're happy with the way the RSAs look, simply click on Create All RSAs. And that's it. Job done. Now go forth and create RSAs until your heart's content.